Guys, most welcome to the new video. In today's video you will learn that how to find the exact date of the open file. For example, a few days ago I opened a file in my computer, but still I don't know what was the exact date of opening of my file in my computer. So today in this video I will show you this technique. How can you find the exact date of the file that you opened a few days ago? Like too many times the people are asking you in an interview, so can you find the exact date of the open file? For example, like here is a file, but so I opened a few days ago, but I don't know how to find the exact date. In what did you do in a few days? For example, in which day or in which date that you did something. So how can you find that? Let's begin, or let's dig in. So for this you have to come here to the keyboard, and also in the keyboard you should press the Windows button together with the tab button. At the same time you should press Windows and tab button. So look at that, guys. Right now I want to press Windows and tab. So look at that, guys. When I press Windows button with the tab button, so another screen comes. So now you can see, like here, go down like this one. Look at that. In October at October 9, so I open these all files, and also go down like this one. In October 8 I open that one. So any file that you want to find, so when I open that one, so just you have to come here and find October. Like look at that, in October 6 I open these all files. So you can find that the exact date by this method. Thank you for watching.